Hello JC Indians, hope you all are doing well during the stressful period of COVID lockdown. JC is Risha Bima here from Zone 24 JCI Ballari Steel City. I really thank JCI LOM President of Bilal Koppa, JC Prajwal, for giving me this opportunity to share my message with you all. So here I come with my message. See, everybody is worried about what next, right? Are you worried about what is happening now, which is affecting you indirectly? Yes, what happening now around you and within you has lot of impact on you. Around you, it's external factor you cannot control. What is happening with you is internal factor where you can have a hold on it. But certain times what happens, we will not think about what is happening to us and we just react rather than responding to the things around us. And this might lead to sadness or a depression. So sadness and depression are two things which affects us internally, indirectly. When you are sad, it takes for you to heal yourself for very short time. But depression is not like that. In sadness, if somebody listen to you, or you go and treat yourself with something what you like, you're all right. But depression is not like that. It will eat you internally like cancer. But the people around you will be not knowing about it. Why she is behaving or he is behaving the way she is behaving. And you will also not understand why are you so cranky. Why are you reacting for everything rather than responding? So what to do? I'm not here to tell what are the reasons behind of your sadness or depression, what kind of depression and all. If you Google it, you'll get the answers about depression and sadness. I'm here to tell you one simple thing is to understand. Everybody will say what to do during the lockdown, how you should be positive and how you need to focus about future and how you need to work on the strategies. But how well you can do it is only up to you, because the only person who know about everything is only you, not even your better half, your parents or your friends. So we know what we go through. So what we have to do now? What is the solution for this? It's the art of let go. The things which you can't change. The external things are not in your hand, but internal things definitely are in your hand. I would like to give an example here to quote. See, in any incident, if something goes wrong, the opposite person will just react and bombard you like anything. And they feel after some time that they have scolded and they're feeling bad about it and guilty about it. So what they do, they come and ask sorry to you. But if there is no changed behavior, that sorry has no meaning. Why? Because sorry means you're not repeating it again. So, and you're feeling bad about what you've done. So what happens in this situation? People who are very sensitive, they take it to the heart. They can't express and it will be eating away, and definitely it will affect them so much that opposite person cannot take a note of it and they get into depression. What is depression is all about? Depression is something like, a wound, a scar in your soul and mind. If all those scars will come onto your face, and what happens? You can't even identify a person, because the scars and the wounds which are on the soul, it's not visible to anybody. So in this situation, what one can do? One can do is to understand the person whom you are affecting positively or negatively is a dear one to you. So what happens if your dear one is getting affected by you? Give a thought for it. Why I am doing this? If you give a thought, definitely it will not affect the one who is dear one to you, because it's all about the choice of your words which you choose to speak. So words will have an impact. Either it can make a person or break a person. Be polite to the one and be affectionate. It will help you in some way to heal the person who is going through depression in this stressful period. And of course, there is one thing which you need to understand is all about the difference you make to other person. Be a reason to smile, because it all depends how you look at it, and that's the way of life. So देखने का नजरिया होना चाहिए, and definitely the way you make others feel, it will have an impact on you too. Don't treat the others the way you want to get treated. So treat others the way you want to get treated. So the way you treat will definitely make the feel person happy, and happy person learns better, happy person achieves better, happy person will definitely make a big things in a very simple way. So choose a word politely in such a way that we can bridge the gap. And there is a saying, understanding is the shortest distance between two individuals. So rather than creating misunderstanding by tone of your voice and the rude words which creates the sadness or depression, speak in such a way that it creates smiles onto the face and you be the reason to their smiles. And I thank Mr. Prajwal for giving me this opportunity to share my message. Thank you one and all for listening to me. Be a reason to smile, and always, always, always remember this life is not lived just once. We live this life every moment and we just die once. So always, always make a person smile with your words. Thank you.